Here is some vocabulary to keep in mind when asking for directions. Izquierda, left, and derecha, right. Some verbs you might hear are doblar or girar, which means to turn, seguir or avanzar, which means to follow, atravesar, which means to go across, and rodear, which means to go around. Also, you might hear some references. Al lado de, next to, or enfrente de, in front of. Some important words are esquina, plaza or parque, iglesia, and puente. And of course, primera, segunda, y tercera, the first, the second, and the third. Don't forget to follow us for more Spanish tips, and make sure to check out OCTB for Spanish lessons with native Spanish speakers. And I'll see you there. Mwah!